I cannot help but think that we are right now at the stage of AI development, which is the same stage of climate change development and its beginnings at the beginning of 19th century. Let me explain. In 1820s, Joseph Fourier proposed that Earth's atmosphere traps heat, and that was the foundation of the greenhouse effect. Already at the end of 19th century, which is over 100 years ago, scientists proposed and linked rising CO2 levels with observed global temperature increases. That's already over 100 years ago. And then what happened later in the mid of 20th century and in the 70s and 80s was that they reported basically that fossil fuel use could cause measurable and possibly marked changes in climate. And then in 1979, the First World Climate Conference declared that continued expansion of human activities could lead to global warming. Well, we know that already for how many? Over 50 years. What are the things that we have done to prevent us from climate change, climate warming? Well, let's be honest, not that much. But that's exactly the same thing that is happening these days with AI predictions and the predictions of AI development, especially the superintelligence. We know right now by science and from the scientists and from many observers that the consequences of the AI development and its implementation are going to be huge on the individuals, on the society, on the world at large. So the question is, what do we do with that? Do we do anything? Do we do anything to really prevent the catastrophic disasters that are going to happen because of AI development? Unfortunately, not really, and that's where we are right now. We are exactly the same stage like at the beginning of 19th century when we started to realize that, yeah, using so much fossil fuel can actually change the climate. So yeah, using so much AI all around the world can definitely change the world and the society, not necessarily for its good.